how many you did? Maricar. No? Pag sikat, kailangan humble.
Mommy, make more cake.
Yan.
Mommy.
Saka wag man lait ng kapwa Pinoy. I mean, kahit kanino, wag lait, manglait. Ganon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gilana. Happy birthday to...
Mom.
Okay, make a wish, make a wish. What's your wish?
I did a new toy.
Okay. Toy again. Okay, thank you.
Wow, let's go.
What'd you do?
What do you do?
Laro-laro si Gilana eh.
Let me show you how to do this.
Laro siya maghapon. Yan ang ginagawa niya maghapon. Laro-laro.
I need to take to mommy.
Oh, you making a cake?
Yeah, a big cake. A big cake.
A big cake this time?
Yeah.
Tapos andun si Jade, basa-basa ng libro. Yan. Salamat sa mga patamsak.
He's reading her book.
Yep.
Yeah, we have book.
Gilana, did you read your book today?
Yes,
How many page?
fun.
5 page. Did she?
Yes.
He did.
Upong maayos, anak. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Oh, she's making me a big cake. Wow.
I made you a cake. Right there.
Flat cake?
It's the cheese stuff.
Oh, cheesecake?
Ew, see? Who do that?
Oh, you step on the... Oh, Gilana, you step on it.
Oh, wait, Tally.
Then now you like, if Jade or Julene step on it, you're gonna cry. Yeah.
No.
Right?
Okay.
Now your feet is gonna get dirty. No, just leave it alone.
What do you know?
Are you gonna take a shower again?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And my hair is really bad.
Are you gonna wet your hair?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
How come?
And no hair day. Oh, go. Potato. Go. A potato in my butt.
And then... Hi, Linda. Say hi, Linda.
Paulina.
Now you can do this one. This one is harder, Gilana. Oh, hen.
Mommy, no one.
See? That's how you do it.
Oh, now I need to get a new one.
I sorry. 3 to 9K, what's that mean? What? Very good. Playing in the sandbox. What's 3 to 9? Ah, Gilana!
I need a new cake.
Where's my cake?
I need a new one.
Upong maayos, Julene.
You're always beating. I have it.
Really?
You need top cake.
Just broke it.
You have to top cake.
Oh.
It's the meeting.
Then can you get me a new bowl?
There's a lot. Go get some, Julene. I thought you're making me a cake.
I'm making you cake one night. Tiny cake.
Oh, tiny cake to the big cake.
Wait. I need why? It's too hard. I need to put it together in a pie.
Oh, a pie?
Yeah. No, I'm making cake to you. Not a pie.
Can I just take off my